first thing you do when you disassemble a pistol is you remove the magazine and clear the chamber to make sure it's empty. Before cleaning the barrel, turn the hop-up to 0 to avoid damage to the hop-up rubber. Use non-linting tissue as a cleaning patch and use as many as you need until they come out the other end clean. Next we clean the frame rails. Use your fingernail to get into the recess, or you can also use a flat screwdriver. Then we clean the corresponding parts in the slide. And we are ready to lube the loading nozzle and the piston head. Make sure it moves smoothly and snaps back. You might want to turn the hop-up on before assembly. Press the main valve to make sure it's empty, but never press the main valve to dump any gas, because it'll freeze the seals. Add lube and press a few times to make sure it gets into the valve. Then you add a drop of silicone into the fill valve as well, even if you're using green gas. And charge some gas to make sure the lube gets in. You might want to clean these areas in the magazine as well to ensure that it feeds well. But avoid lube if it works without lube, because any silicone here will get into the hop-up and decrease the accuracy. And then we're done.